The beehive beginning to swarm. It's the third day in a row they've done this. But they keep coming back to the hive for some reason. Hopefully they do it again today. See if we can close this up. They're actually quite gentle when they swarm. Some are flying right around me. A bunch of them up by the top of the pear trees now. I'll zoom in on them. Trying to get a view of the front of the hive here. They're kind of massing on the ground too. You can see them flying around now. There's just thousands of them up there. Hopefully they don't form a ball at the top of the tree. I won't be able to get them down. I only have a 28-foot ladder. Now I just found a big mess of bees over here, and I don't know if this is my swarm or if another one of my hives have swarmed, but there is a whole lot of bees back by this pear tree. That could be my, I guess, what are the odds I got two swarms, I guess. It looks like they might actually be doing it this for real today. See if they form a ball and I can hopefully catch them. That's a lot of bees. See them. Still haven't found a place to land yet. Oh, that might be. Oh, I think they're forming right in this, right in the middle of the screen, right there. This camera doesn't go any closer. Oh yeah. You see it's getting darker there.
July 5th, 2011, and one of our beehives has decided to swarm up at the top of the pear tree here. I don't know if you can see that very clearly. When I zoom, my camera tends to get a little blurry. And I don't really want to get much closer right now because I'm not wearing a bee suit. And these bees over here, they seem to be going a little nutty too. So, Peely Farmer Man is suiting up and he's going to attempt to get these bees down. What's up with that hive there?
Maybe they're excited with the swarm or something, I don't know. I hope they don't swarm too. Now my problem, I don't know if this box is big enough to put them in, but it's not like that. kind of a long swarm here.
Now last summer this happened and the bees, took off into towards Point Pelee National Park. A big chunk of bees just fell down actually. Alright, he's starting to saw the main branch that they're on there. While holding it with the other hand, trying not to rock it too much, I guess. While balancing on a shaky ladder, wearing a bee suit. Well, he's just about through the branch now. He's got it. There goes my saw.
Are they following the swarm?
It's hard to say. Yeah, I guess they're coming down a little bit.
It's a bunch of bees. Now the key will be get them in the box. They say to
Shake it, right?
Well, they said if you can get the whole stick in, but
I don't think you can get that whole stick in.
I can try.
Okay, here we go. We're going to shake them into the box and see what happens. We'll just chalk it up as experience. And hope that the queen is in there.
I say they're on my glove. There's bees and they're fanning their wings to give out the scent to tell the other bees that this is where we're staying now. And some other ones are doing on the edge of the box. And the bees are all coming and they're calming down and going inside the box. That's pretty cool. See these ones here? They got their rear ends up, their abdomens.
Oh, that's cool.
Yeah. And a bunch in the back and the ones on my hand too. And they're calming down over there. See, they must have came from there.
Alright, here we go. It's about noon by now, and we're moving the hive over here under the tree. This is where the new swarm will be, the new hive will be. The ones that swarmed up in the pear tree earlier this morning.
Oh, shoot. Sure that's quite how you do it. A couple more.
Yeah, we're newbies. Haha, get the pun, newbies. We don't know what we're doing.
Hopefully the queen landed in here, then we'll be good.